Like, Cocos?
Something like we're
ay mula sa mataas.
from the fireplace.
That one's a good building, ah.
Yeah, actually, it's very dangerous also. One job, because sometimes the rope goes up on you. The rope. Because it's
Stretchable.
stretchable. Yeah. And sometimes it rolls up to your neck to the point that
Imagine, only 2 persons inside 1 cube.
yeah,
Good
that's right.
for 28 persons.
We are very lucky because we own this one
Yeah.
cube.
We are very fortunate.
See?
And look at the other cube, ah. Oh, can I see, ah?
Oh, we can see already.
Mamaya doon tayo pumunta, oh. Pwede na nating lakarin papuntang Bugis.
Saan?
Doon. Lakarin na natin papuntang Bugis.
Stairs 4?
Ayun na yun na yung kulay brown na building. Yun na sa Bugis na yun, eh.
TNT?
TNT. Papunta doon.
Papunta ron.
Siguro ang gagawin natin, okay na ba siya maglakad na mahaba?
Sure.
Sure. Adventurous, ah.
Okay.
Pareho din, ah. Doon, mula doon. Sige, dito na natin planuhin.
pero
Oh.
saan dapat sasakay? Kung
Saan dapat sasakay kung pauwi? Yan, hindi ko alam. First time ko nandito, eh.
Ikaw taxi.
Hindi na taxi. Kitlakarin lang, papunta doon, oh. Tapos tatawid ka lang doon sa may sa kabila. Basta ma-reach mo lang yung mata sa building na yun.
Ibig sabihin,
Nando doon na yung Raffles Hotel, eh.
Oo nga, no. From Espanyol, lakad ko natin na ganito.
That one is Esplanade.
The one over there is the Malayon. Malayon.
Over there is a Merlion. The Malayan Park and the Fullerton Hotel. This one, I don't know. I'm not so sure about this one.
The one is a hotel. Open.
Yeah. This is Marina Sands.
Yeah,
Marina Sands.
after 2 years, 2010, it will open up.
Yeah, it's open.
By 2010.
2010. Yeah. This Mandarin Hotel and Pan Pacific. And this is Christian.
Yes.
Your DJ. And this is me. Your host. I like that one building so much.
Yeah, that one.
It's a great one.
Great architectural.
Yeah.
How to whisper and know just how high, know just where my yesterday, and know just how tonight.
Hindi ko mabuhay na buhay yung kulay niya.
Know just how to fake it, and I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth,
And then I know just where to dream.
and I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove.
I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose, and I know when life is